Hello, my name is Rajiv and this is the Coding Ninjas project of contact list. This is our main page. At the top we have a navbar. Then in the main container we have two different sections, one for contact list showing all the contacts and another for showing more information about any contact. So initially we get 10 contacts from API. If you want to know more about any contact, just click on the contact and in more info section you will receive more data about the contact like his name, phone number, email and address. Here is a dummy image. At the bottom we have two buttons, one for update and another for delete. If you want to update the data, just click on input bar and change the data, and when you click on update button it will update the data. In case you want to delete any contact, just click on the contact at the bottom. You will have a delete button, click on that and the contact will be deleted from the list. And for adding a new contact, click on add contact button in more info section. Here you receive a form. If I don't give any value and click on add contact button, it will show a message that contact cannot be added since no value is provided. Let's fill the name and again click on add contact. Again it will show the message that name and phone cannot be empty. So let's give the value for both and click on add contact. So you can see that here the contact is added in our list. So this is the whole project. I have designed it using TailwindCSS framework, and also this is responsive, so in case the width decrease, the more info section will hide, and we have just contact list and the add contact button is now in our navbar. Now let's see the code. This is our code. First let's understand the folder structure. In the source folder, first we have assets folder containing images, then component folder containing 7 different components used inside our project. Then we have a folder named Redux, which contain reducer and Redux store. I am using Redux for managing state and store. Then we have app.js file, which is rendering navbar and contact list. Then index.js. Here I am providing Redux store and toast container for showing toast notification, and then I am rendering app. The tailwind.config file is for configuration of Tailwind CSS since I am using Tailwind framework. Now let's see code in each component. First, in app.js file, I am rendering navbar and contact list. Let's see the code for both. Navbar is rendering the navbar in the screen at the top. Then contact list is the main container of the page, which is rendering two different components. First is list and second is more info section. The list component is responsible for rendering the whole list at the screen. Here we can see that we are mapping our contact list array to add each contact to list. List item is the component which is responsible for rendering a single contact in the contact list. Similarly, more info section is for showing more information about a contact, and this is also rendering two different components like update section and add contact. Update section is for showing more information about a contact and also updating the values of contact, and the add contact section component is for adding a new contact. Initially I am providing a blank value so that user can change the data and store it in the database. Let's see the code for reducer. This is our contact reducer. Here I am giving initial state which have three values: array, show contact for showing a contact, and show add contact for showing add contact for section. I'm using async thing for fetching data, adding data and deleting data from the API, and here is our slice for creating reducer and extra reducer. This is the Redux store. This here is the Redux store. So this is all about the project. Thank you.